My job is really to help the people in our sites to work more efficient, and TrendMiner is here for me the tool to help them get the data, get the information they need, in order to perform.
How long are you working with TrendMiner now?
We started with TrendMiner 3 years ago, and we are now at the level where we use now the self-serving analytics, but using a lot of the dashboardings now in order to help our people really to monitor more efficiently their processes. We can visualize our data now more efficiently. Before we had a tool where we needed to download the data first to Excel, then in Excel you have to write then your graph. This is all now done by TrendMiner, so no work with this. Furthermore, we have now incorporated some downloading features from the Excel files that automatically downloads data from TrendMiner to the Excel files, so our people do not really know how to type inside the data, so they have more time in analyzing the problems and improving our performance. The self-serving analytics part is making up of 70%, because this is easy to use. The people really enjoy it. The obstacles to go inside, they are low. For the ML tiles, we are now going to the department who are actually not so familiar with this data at all and showing them, okay, what kind of visualization do you need in order to gain the insights? Do you need a bar chart? Do you need maybe a Sankey diagram or something like this? What metadata do you need? And then we speak with the people, and this helps us also then to develop our TrendMiner further. My favorite feature is MLHub, since I like to use Python, and Python gives you this abundance of features that you can use. So I put inside my time series data, and then it's like a playground, and then you can say, okay, I want to see when was my tank full, how often was the tank full, I want to see if it's 50%, 80%, maybe some color coding, because I don't want to read the figure, I want directly look, visualize it by color coding, so I'm quicker. I can really see, okay, there's something I need to look at, and this runs fine. I don't need to check it.